Are you trying to upgrade your car audio with reliable 6x9s without breaking the bank? Relax, you've come to the right place for a quick guide to the best 6x9 speakers on the market right now. Today, I'm going to be going over the best 6x9 speakers that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Wiiyii P6. From the moment you unbox it, the Wiiyii P6 signals a focus on enthusiasts seeking accurate mids and punchy bass during daily commutes. Its rugged grille and steel frame convey durability while remaining discreet enough for door panels or rear decks, resisting flex during volume sessions. The P6 welcomes budget-conscious installers who want respectable stage presence without sacrificing too much cargo space or aftermarket aesthetics in vehicles. Designed with a reinforced basket and a mica-infused cone, it handles daily driving with reduced resonance and noticeably improved linearity across frequencies. Measuring 9 inches by 5, 6 inches by 3.2 inches, the physical footprint respects most aftermarket housings and mounting depths while maintaining fastshell alignment. The design uses a red surround on the woofer to visually signal power handling while remaining unobtrusive to dashboard aesthetics during daily drives. Connectivity and compatibility details include a 2-ohm voice coil option and zinc-plated terminals designed to resist corrosion under varied climates. In the box, you get a pair of grills, mounting hardware, and a gasket kit to simplify installation and ensure a tight seal. Performance and real-world testing results show the P6 delivering clean highs and controlled mid-bass when fed by a capable amplifier. During a real-world test, the Wiiyii P6 demonstrated strong dynamics and low distortion at moderate listening levels. Compared to the rival Soundcore X6, the P6 trades louder peak output for purer mid-range clarity and noticeably more controlled treble. The pros include excellent mid-range clarity that brings vocal tracks forward, strong bass extension for impactful lows, and durable construction for long-term reliability. The cons include a higher price versus mainstream budget 6x9s and slightly cumbersome mounting needing careful installation to avoid rattles. Overall, the Wiiyii P6 represents a compelling option for enthusiasts demanding balanced sound in a compact, unobtrusive footprint. At number 4, we have the HUD Heads Up Display. From the moment you power it up, the display presents a bold, legible projection that enhances safety without overwhelming cockpit aesthetics. It clearly targets drivers who crave effortless data at a glance, including commuters, road trippers, and performance enthusiasts seeking confidence. Constructed with a sturdy aluminum chassis and a tempered glass overlay, the housing exudes durability while maintaining a compact, seat-friendly footprint. Its dimensions fit neatly on the dash without obstructing vents or warning lights, promoting clean integration with most vehicle interiors. The mounting mechanism offers adjustable tilt and retracts cleanly into a recessed slot, reducing glare while preserving windshield visibility. The unit supports multiple inputs, including USB Type-C and wireless projection, enabling quick setup across different devices and vehicle ecosystems. Pixel density delivers sharp alphanumeric readouts and color-coded warnings, with adjustable brightness to persist under bright sun or nocturnal conditions. It includes GPS-assisted windscreen alignment and drift detection cues that help calibrate the projection for accurate distance perception. In daily driving tests, brightness performed well from dawn to dusk, maintaining legibility without causing driver distraction during heavy traffic. During highway cruises, the display remains stable and responsive to user input, booting within seconds and updating metrics with negligible lag. In low light and night mode, color contrast preserved readability and warning color thresholds, proving reliable during nocturnal commutes. Compared to the NovaView Pro, this HUD Heads Up Display offers faster boot times, more compact mounting, and clearer daytime readability. The pros include excellent brightness that remains legible in bright daylight, fast boot and responsive UI, and a compact modular design. The cons include higher price relative to basic models and limited third-party mounting options that may restrict compatibility with old. At number 3, we have the SinoTrack GPS Speedometer HUD. From the moment you unbox the SinoTrack GPS Speedometer HUD, the compact form hints at practical, unobtrusive road support. Ideal for commuters, rideshare drivers, and hobbyists seeking distraction-free highway data, it promises clear speed readouts without dominating the dash. Its approachable price point positions it as an accessible upgrade for vehicles lacking integrated HUDs, appealing to budget-conscious enthusiasts. The outer shell uses a durable matte finish combined with a compact footprint, reducing glare and ensuring stealthy integration in most interiors. The included mounting kit offers adjustable tilt, a low-profile windshield mount, and secure cable routing to minimize wobble and distraction. Dimensions hover around 4 by 3 by 1 inch, providing a discreet presence that preserves visibility while remaining accessible for quick reach. The standout feature is a bright 4.3-inch display with auto brightness and a dedicated night mode for dim cockpit environments. GPS-based speed readout is synchronized with vehicle data, offering real-time updates and reduced lag compared to older HUDs. Users can toggle between Nalpet and Commodage, set audible alerts, and customize which metrics display for a tailored driving view. In real-world tests, the readout remains stable on city streets and highway stretches, with minimal drift during temperature swings. During tunnels and urban canyons, signal fluctuations occasionally produce brief adjustments, though the system quickly reacquired satellites for accurate updates. Power consumption remained modest, with the device drawing through the vehicle's ignition switch and not noticeably impacting alternator load. In a direct comparison with the ApeTech HUD, the SinoTrack GPS Speedometer HUD delivers clearer visuals and more reliable GPS tracking. The pros include accurate GPS-based speed readout, bright display with high contrast, and easy windshield mounting for quick, tool-free installation. The cons include higher price compared to entry-level HUDs and GPS signal dependency in denser. At number 2, we have the HUD Heads Up Display. From the moment you unbox, the HUD Heads Up Display exudes practicality, appealing to drivers seeking seamless navigation and safety integration. Its target audience clearly includes commuting professionals and tech enthusiasts who value real-time data without distracting their focus. Early impressions highlight an intuitive interface, quick setup, and responsive alerts that promise safer driving through contextual information at a glance. The chassis blends rugged materials with a refined finish, suggesting durability without sacrificing aesthetic appeal for everyday use. Its compact footprint fits neatly on the dash while maintaining legible visibility through a thoughtfully designed mounting system. The HUD displays critical metrics such as speed, RPM, fuel economy, navigation prompts, and incident alerts with retina-crisp clarity. Through adaptive brightness, it remains legible in bright daylight and dim night conditions, reducing eye strain during long drives. Voice command compatibility and gesture controls enable hands-free interaction, preserving focus while accessing navigation, messages, or vehicle diagnostics. The display supports multiple profiles, letting different drivers customize layouts, color schemes, and preferred datasets for quick recognition. In practical scenarios, the HUD maintains steady frame rates, ensuring real-time data updates without noticeable lag during rapid driving transitions. During highway commuting, brightness adapts smoothly, and user alerts trigger appropriately, contributing to safer lane changes and improved situational awareness. Compared to the Garmin head-up display, the HUD heads-up display offers faster data refresh and a more intuitive touchless interactions. The pros include excellent visibility, low power drain, and easy dash mounting. The cons include higher price and limited universal compatibility. At number 1, we have the WOLFBOX G840S. From the moment you unpack it, the device presents a premium feel with a compact, car-friendly silhouette and thoughtful packaging. Its intuitive mount and plush screen bezel make it easy to install, aligning with daily user needs and a straightforward setup. For budget-conscious drivers seeking a complete dashcam hub, this model promises robust features without a steep learning curve. The chassis uses a durable metal frame with a scratch-resistant finish, keeping it resilient in daily car environments. Its dimensions stay compact enough to not obstruct visibility while offering a generous 0.5-inch profile that still fits most windshields. The mounting system provides solid feedback with a reassuring click, and a low height keeps it out of the driver's line of sight. It records in 4K on the front camera and uses a 2K rear sensor, delivering crisp daytime footage and reliable night performance. The built-in GPS tracks speed and location, feeding data to the companion app for a comprehensive driving log. HDR processing helps balance highlights and shadows, producing legible footage in mixed lighting from sunrise glare to tunnel transitions. In real-world testing, the front camera captured sharp daytime detail and legible license plates from moderate distances under daily driving conditions. Night performance improved by balancing noise reduction and exposure, though distant streetlights can still cause mild halo artifacts in challenging scenes. Thermal performance remains cool during extended recording, preventing throttling and maintaining stable frame rates across long drives even in heat. In direct comparison with the Wiiyii DR900S, the model delivers similar clarity but at a more approachable price point. The pros include strong build, 4K front recording, and seamless app connectivity, all delivering dependable daily performance for drivers. The cons include high price and slightly steep learning curve, which may deter budget shoppers and less tech-savvy users.